Alright, so for the first time in over 15 years, we are in St. Thomas. We are in the U.S. Virgin Islands. For a little one, this is a brand new country for her. Brand new territory that she's never been to. So she's made it and she's here. So when you walk off the ship, we're going to show you what it looks like to walk off the ship here and to get into the port. There's some seating areas over this way, parking over this way. I haven't been to this port in so long, I don't remember what's here. I just remember it was a lot of hills. I remember doing the Queen Steps. I see the tramway over there to the left. There's a tramway that goes up and down the mountain over that way. We may walk over there, we'll see. It's like a 5 to 10 minute walk is all.
Photos. Hi. Photos.
Excuse me, can you guys get on the sidewalk, please?
I lost the family. Family's behind me. Alright, so back to walking. Let's see, this sign over here says taxis to the left, shopping to the left. Everything's to the left. So we're gonna go see what we can find. Alright, so there's a shopping area over here to the right. We're gonna go check that out?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go head over that way, but before we head to the right and check out the shopping, there's a Hampton Inn right across the street. And it looks like a newer one too. Obviously, if you're on a cruise ship, it doesn't do you any good to have a hotel here, unless if you maybe were catching a cruise from here to somewhere. But that's a Hampton Inn right there. And then there's more shopping and more of the town is that way, and that's how we get to the tram too. So we're gonna walk that way, but first we're gonna check out this shopping place over here. Alright, so we're here in the Havenside Mall. Looks like you can continue this way and that way, and there's a Chinese restaurant that way. I don't know if it's any good or not. Then you see the port back there.
Sorry.
No, you're good. You see the port back there, and then more shopping this way. And we're gonna walk this way and see what we find. There's a place here called the Deli Deck Restaurant and Bar. There's a lot of people in there. Let's see. We're not huge shoppers, so we're probably not gonna be shopping much. And to walk uphill is literally, ooh, way up there. No thank you. Chinese restaurants back that way. And it looks like there's some more shopping this way. See what we find, if anything. Have you guys ever been to St. Thomas before? Let us know. What's the one spot that you can't miss? There's frozen bushwhackers. Those are alcoholic drinks. I don't drink, and Tori barely does, so I don't think we're going to be indulging in any of those today, but I've heard that's the popular drink here. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of shopping down here. Yeah, look at all this shopping. My God, there's a lot of stores here. There's a lot of stores here. I think we're gonna go in this store, Carabana Gifts, and go see what we can find. So across the street from the Hampton Inn, just kind of doing a little 360 here. There's some more shopping, and then you see there's this place called the Smoking Rooster. I'm guessing they have barbecue or chicken or something, maybe wings, I don't know, but it smells delicious. Might have to stop in there later and see if they have wings. I found you, my friend. You can't escape me. Island after island after port, whether it's Aruba or Jamaica, I always will follow you, my friend. I caught you again. All right, so I don't know what the name of this road is. This is the main road that goes past the port. Port's back that way, and we're just walking. We're going. We already passed where the tramway is up to the top of the mountain. We may do that on the way back. Right now, we're just walking. See, there's apartments over here, condos, some stuff that looks like construction equipment. We're just walking it. We're walking to like where the Bluebeard's Castle is, and like the Queen's Steps, 100 steps or 1,000 steps or whatever the heck it is. I don't remember. All right, so all along this walkway here, once we passed this point, once you get going back towards the ships, when you get right here to this corner, there's a walkway that you can take. You follow it, like where that pavilion looking building is. You follow that walkway all the way back, and you can take it straight back to the ships. Instead of walking down the main street, you can take the back way. So we're gonna do that on our way back and see what's over there. It looks like it said shops and stuff like that. But then there's our majestic princess, and then there's the Carnival Venezia parked in front of us. And then here's that main street. It's been a good walking experience so far. There's not a ton of shade, so on a hotter day, which I guess in the Virgin Islands every day is a hotter day, just keep that in mind if you want to bring an umbrella, or you definitely want to bring a hat, sunscreen, that kind of stuff. Also, if it rains or there's a chance of rain, you might want to pack a poncho with you, or like I said, an umbrella for the shade or the rain. Here's some more views of St. Thomas. Walking along the walkway, there's a little park here with some benches and a couple of trees. Not much shade. That's my one complaint, is there's not a whole lot of shade anywhere here. It is warm, and we're here in the fall season, late fall, almost winter. And it is hot. I know we're from Florida. You guys are saying, suck it up, people, suck it up. I get it, but it's hot. Palm trees don't give much shade, as you can see there, and whatever these trees are behind me don't either. But we're still walking along. I think we're going to turn left on this street here, and then I'm not sure where we go from there. So here's the legislature of the U.S. Virgin Islands, the Capitol building. They've actually got it currently decorated for Christmas as well. They got a Christmas tree out there. I'm guessing they're about to get yelled at for being out there. That's the Capitol building. So on the other side of the legislature building is the U.S. Coast Guard. It's the Boat Forces unit of the U.S. Virgin Islands. Gee, if you're in the Coast Guard, I couldn't think of being stuck someplace worse, right? These views. And it looks like we made it to the main shopping area. I see the Rolex store up here. I see, I can't tell what it says, some other kind of shopping and stores there. I see looks like maybe a KFC or something. And then this looks like the market over here with the I Love St. Thomas sign. After we did a little bit of shopping, we had those Johnny cakes, we decided to walk back. We didn't notice this on the way there. There's the Ron DeLugo Federal Building, which is a U.S. courthouse building. You see the American flag up there, and the POW MIA flag, which is the missing in action flag. I believe that's what's flying underneath it, I think. If the wind would blow hard enough, I could tell you guys. It doesn't look like it's gonna happen. The winds aren't strong enough today. The winds were not angry today, my friends. So now we're just walking back to the ships, which you can see over there. If the sun wasn't so damn strong and we had a little bit of a breeze, because it's not very windy today at all, it would be a beautiful day. But the wind, oh, there it goes a little bit. The wind is very lackluster today. It's not like when we were in Puerto Rico the other day. The winds were like in the 25-30 mile an hour range. But today it's definitely a lot less, at least where we are. Maybe it's where we're sheltered by this harbor here. Maybe the winds are coming from the opposite direction and all the mountains and stuff are blocking it. I don't know. So when you're walking along the main road here, this is the sign I was talking about. It says, walk this way to the cruise ships. Walk this way to the cruise ships. Visit the shops on your way to the dock. Eat, shop, play, repeat. Got a couple of tourists here in my way. Excuse me. Done tourists. And then this walkway here Assuming some weirdo didn't just, you know, tie a sign down to a fence hoping, you know, he gets some sucker to follow it that says this way to the cruise ships, and then he's up here at the end of this walkway going my evil laugh. He's waiting on us. I hope not. This looks right. I just wish they would have made the walkway over there. This is like US Virgin Islands Public Works usage right here, but I really wish they would pave a sidewalk through here to right here. These gates will be closed from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. nightly under 24-hour surveillance. Let's see, let's check it out. Ooh, we get to walk by all the fancy yachts. What? This is gonna be pretty cool. I wish we could go through there, right? Check these out. This one that's right here is called the Bad Romance. Is that Lady Gaga? Is that her famous yacht there? Could be. There's one over here. It's called Chillaxin. Is that like Will Smith, Fresh Prince, Chillaxin, shooting some b-ball outside of the school on a couple of guys who were up to no good, started making trouble in his neighborhood. And this one's called the White Star. That sucker's big. This reminds me of like when you're in like Fort Lauderdale or something, you see all the big yachts. All right, so we're gonna keep marching on. Let's see what else we find. Somebody's feeding the chickens out here. Hi guys, they're eating something. It's starting to rain. That was bound to happen. There's restrooms under here. I think we might go use those. We made it back to some kind of shopping here. It's starting to rain harder, so we're gonna hide under here for a few minutes, see you when the rain lets up. So this is gonna wrap up our visit here to St. Thomas. Hopefully you had fun walking around the port, walking around doing some of the shopping with us as well. It is hot, it is rainy, so we're definitely heading back to the ship a little earlier than we thought, but that's okay. Hopefully you guys had a good time. If you have any questions about St. Thomas, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If I can't answer them, I'll still try and find an answer for you. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you on the seas. We'll see you soon.